Are you able to see my screen? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So what we are planning today is we will do a project that is a small to-do list project. We'll start with basic to-do list. I think you have already done to-do list, but some add-ons I want to add to the existing what is this called, to-do list. Okay, so let's start. So I don't want to show you multi-component today. We will do it in a single component. So how do we do the things? I want to show something like when we add the task, we have the task list below, isn't it? After that, I want to have some filters like a done, delete, and after having those buttons, I should have some filters like complete, incomplete. So I want to see completed tasks, incomplete tasks, and all tasks, something like that. Okay. Okay, then let me start. So first I need to, okay, forms module is already there. Fine. So I'll put one input type equal to text. Add task method, and add task method is not there in the PS file, so we will write it there. So so before defining the function, we need the properties. What are the properties? We will have a tasks array. Tasks array is empty. Okay, then we'll have the add task method. So add task will accept one object. So this is thing, not object, it will take one string, and from that string it will create the object. So maybe I put it as text. Text is the task that I entered, and then I want to have a status. Okay, status. Status will be false in the beginning, and then what I need to do, I have to push this object into the tasks array. Okay, fine. This is the add task. Okay, fine. And we will have one task status. Okay, we'll come to that later on. So go back to our this thing. So here we need to get the value from the input field. I mean the string that we have entered, the task we have entered. So for that, in the input field, I'll put one template or reference variable like this. Okay. Input type equal to text, and this an add task of t dot value. Okay, and then in the button I will write add task. Okay, Now after that I want this ul this ul I will have li. So in this li I need to put this NgFor in the task of tasks. So here I need to show what I need to show, the task dot text, task dot text. Okay. So let's see. Okay, it is coming. Then car wash. Okay, so this is the basic ToDoList we have done earlier. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to add some more extra features. So first let me add the delete and done and undo buttons. Okay, so inside the same li I need to create some more buttons. So this part I'll put it in a span for now. Okay. So first let me create the delete task of, so in delete task I need to pass the index, so I need to specify the index as well. So here I just write let I is equal to index. So I have the index here. Okay. So this delete task I need to have it there. Okay. Then inside the li I have a span, I have a button. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Then what we have? So delete and I just need to repeat this. Delete, done, and undo. Okay. So let me write done task, and this one will be undo task, and all will have the index. Okay, fine. So we have to write the methods here. So in delete task, what do? I need to splice, right? So this dot tasks dot splice of, so I have the index, so index comma 1, then done task. In done task, what will happen? Done task of index, so this dot tasks of index dot status is equal to true. So when I press on done, that means the status, done status will be true. Okay, and then about undo task. Undo task, what it will do? It will make the status again false. So I just copy this line, paste it here and make it false. That's it. Those are just simple buttons. So okay, fine. Now the thing is, when the initially the delete button should be there and the done button should be there, but the undo should be hidden. Okay, so let's do that. How to do? And one more thing. Okay, we'll come to the filters later on. So so to hide the undo button, what we need to do is I'll put an NgIf star NgIf is equal to, so task dot status. Okay, so if task dot status is true, that means if it is done, only then undo will be displayed. So now we see the undo button is hidden. Okay, and in the done button, what we will do, we need to put another NgIf, that will be the reverse. So here I will hide it. So done. Okay, when the done is hidden, undo is coming. When the undo is hidden, done is coming. Okay, fine, and delete will delete it. Okay, now this is actually almost done. Okay, let us apply some styles as well to what, for what, to show that it is done. If it is done, then some strike line should be there. Okay, so for that, first let us create a class for that. Okay, so in the CSS, what I'll do is I'll create a class like strike text, maybe something like this. Okay, so strike text, I want text decoration line through. Okay, and one more class I can add just to make it bolder. So font weight bold. Now we will use NgClass to apply this class according to the task.status. Okay. So what I do is, to the text, whatever text we had, that is this text. In this text, we have to apply the NgClass. Okay. So we write NgClass like this. So NgClass is a directive. NgClass is equal to task.status, and then we have this ternary operator. It will apply, if it is true, then it will apply strike text class. Okay. strike text class. Otherwise, if it is false, it will apply the boulder class. Okay. So it is applying boulder class. If I click on done, strike text is coming. Okay, fine. Yes, this is perfect. Now what else? So up to here, everything is done actually. Okay, let's write cooking. Then we have car wash like this. So whatever done, it is done. If I want to, so if this one is a wrong some text, I want to delete this, I can delete it. Okay, so let me put something like insurance, then something like groceries, then something like workout. So everything is working fine. Okay, now see here what is happening, which are the done tasks, which are completed tasks, like car wash, insurance, and workout. So these three are already done, so they are striked. Okay, and groceries and cooking are not done till now. We have to do that. So I want to have some filters here which will show me which tasks I have completed and which tasks are remaining. Suppose I have a lot of tasks like 10-20 tasks. So for that I need some filters. Okay, so let's apply some filters now. So to apply filters, we need we can do it in different ways, but here I want to show you a concept of pipes. Okay, I hope you already know pipes, but we will today we will create some create a custom pipe, okay, to do this filtering. So let me generate a pipe. Yeah, so I'll name the pipe as filter tasks. Okay, yeah, so this filter tasks pipe will be used for filtering the data. Okay, so let me do one thing. Before that, let me add some radio buttons there in the view. Okay, so I'll go to the app.component.html. So here before this just after the add task button, I will have some radio buttons. Okay, so input type equal to radio, then 3 radio buttons will have input type equal to radio, and then so here I'll have something called ng model. So in the ng model I have to bind some value, so that the value I'll put it here. So here I'll have something that is to check the status. So what should I name it? Maybe I can name it task status. Okay, task status. Yeah, this will be fine. So task status, I'll put it as all in the building. So you will come to know what is all now. Just give me 1 minute. You will see what is this all. So in the app.component.html, I'll just bind the ng model to task status. Okay. So ng model equal to task status. Task status, yeah. Okay. And then here we will give the other things like a name equal to something like T status. These are not needed for now, but that is best practice. So I'm writing, and then a value. We need a value. value is equal to something like complete. So we'll have three buttons. One will have value complete, one will have incomplete, one will have all. Okay. So incomplete and all. So what is the meaning of all? All means when I click on this button, it will show me all the tasks, whether it is completed, not completed, I don't care. Okay. And when the application loads, by default, it will show the all the tasks. Okay. So here I just write complete. Here I write incomplete. And here I write all. Okay. Fine. So we can give some gap just to identify this. Send NBSP. Okay, fine. Now we need to apply the filters. Okay. So we have set the task status. We have given the value as well. Okay. Now let us define the custom pipe. What will happen when I click on this? Okay. When I am clicking on this, what should happen? Okay. Fine. So this way we are changing the value of task status actually. Okay. So let's go back to our pipe. So what this pipe will take is, pipe will take two things. One is the value, that is the, and then another thing is the arguments. So instead of this return null, I'll write here if args equal to complete, then return value dot filter. So I'm writing value dot filter. That means this value will be an array. What array? The whole tasks array. Okay, the tasks array, I have to filter it um, by filtering. What I want to do is I want to filter out all the completed tasks, all the incompleted tasks, all those things. Okay. So filter inside this filter. What happened here? Okay. Yeah. So let's say this is task, and then here I write this return task dot status equal to true. Okay, fine. Yeah, what happened here? Okay. Yeah. So this is one of the conditions. So we need to write three conditions. This is for incomplete. So incomplete means the status is false. Then and for all we don't need to do anything. Okay, fine. Value dot filter this and yeah, fine. Now we need to apply this pipe in our template, in our view, in the app.component.html. So this pipe we have to apply to the these radio buttons. When I click on those, actually not on the radio buttons, on the this part, task of tasks, here we need to apply the pipe. Okay. So how do I do that? So here, for using pipes, we use this symbol, isn't it? and then we write the name of the pipe. So our pipe name is filter tasks, isn't it? What is it? This is the name. It is written here. So this name we have to put it here. So filter task, but filter task is taking two things, value and args, isn't it? So we have to specify the argument here. What is the argument we are passing? We are passing the task status. Okay, task status, we are passing it to the filter task. And value will be tasks, the whole array. This value will be whole task, and argument is the this string, whatever we are passing from there, that is the task status. Okay. Now it is showing filter task pipe is not there, so it is to be imported here. So it is imported in the, it is put in the declarations. So filter task pipe. Okay. So done. So now let's see. So let's say cooking, then car wash, then something like groceries. Okay, so I click, I have suppose done the car wash and groceries. Maybe I have not done the cooking. So let's say, so incomplete cooking, it is showing complete, only two are shown, car wash and groceries. And when I click on all, it is showing all the things. Okay, that's the thing I wanted to show you. So this is something you need to, what it is called, you need to create. Okay, this project is a simple project. You have already done the that thing. Already the basic the to-do list is done, but we need these features. Okay, it should be able to filter the things. That's the thing you need to do. So you have to create a custom pipe for that. You need to add a radio buttons. The rest is same. The rest you have already done. And yeah, I have used this NgClass. Please make sure you are comfortable with this NgClass. Okay. Okay. Any doubts? I think that is clear. Nothing extra is there. So you just try to complete this. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, yes, certainly.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, then I'll be available the whole day. If anyone has any doubt, they can ask me. So start practicing. I'll be available from around 9:30. Okay, 9:30 I'll be available. So anyone if having doubt, they can ask me. Okay, then I'll stop the session here.
Yeah, that one you'll put this recording public, I mean, for us and the link.
Sorry.
You'll put this recording for us in the link.
Yes. Well, I'm not not in the institute. So once I go reach the institute, I'll upload it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dritman.
Yeah. Thank you.